Hey guys, it's me, I'm back with another YouTube video. So this one's going to be something a little different. I'm going to be trying to recreate a hairstyle from like a natural YouTuber. So be sure to stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, if there are any other styles or any other videos you see out there that you might want me to try to recreate, because I think that'll be something that'll be really fun and cool and interesting for me to do. So wish me luck and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so I'm actually going out to the first ever Toni Morrison festival that they're having in the Brooklyn Museum. So I have like an hour to finish getting ready, and I still have to get dressed and I still have to like finish my makeup and stuff. So I need something that'll be really short but like still cute. So the style that I'm gonna try to recreate is the natural hair tutorial summer and flirty bun by NaturallyTemi's. I'll like insert it here. So this is the style. I'm gonna try to recreate that exact look, but with my locks. Obviously it won't be exact because this is on loose natural hair and I have locks, but we're gonna try it regardless. So yeah, so this pretty much just looks like a high bun, and then she has like loose hair in the front. So I would figure like for the loose hair I would probably need lock jewelry, but I only found this one and I don't know where my others are. So I definitely am excited to do this because when I had loose natural hair, I was always trying out different styles. So I think for my hair is fine at the length where like I can try all sorts of styles with it as well. So I'm very excited to do this. So I have my mirror here so I can see. Okay, my hair is out. Still have that twist out popping, which I think would be cool to like, add kind of texture so my locks are just like straight. All right, so I have this like invisible bobby thing that I got from Dwayne Reed. Never seen this before, but I picked it up yesterday because it looked interesting and cool, and also it looked like it could be like a fashion piece almost. I've been watching a lot of Project Runway, so I'm gonna use this to put my hair up. Oh wait, but first I'm gonna see which ones I'm gonna try to leave down. So I'll just create twists on the sides here that I'm gonna use kind of like she did for her loose natural hair. I really wish I had I knew where the rest of my lock jewelry was. I think I actually threw it out because maybe it was getting tarnished. I wish I didn't do that. Okay, so this, and I don't have freaking rubber bands because I decided not to repurchase because they were tearing up the ends of my, damn it. Okay, so we're just gonna leave one, because like she was like, it's a cute flirty hairstyle, so I think if we leave I don't know, does that look weird to y'all? Because with the new growth it's like popping out and then it hangs, and I do not like that, which is why I was trying to do the twist. Does the same thing over here too. I think we should still try for the twist. We can always like fix it later. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. So just twist it like that. Just like keep it out of place. All right, and now twist this side. All right, so she also had like these two twists in the front too, I believe. But personally for me, I think that might be too much. So I'm gonna just now try to do this high bun. Now how I like to do mine is I literally just like bend over, bring all my hair to the front and like, zhuzh it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just kind of bending my head forward a little bit, making sure not to include those twists that I did on the side. So I'm bringing it all up. Now I'm starting to gather it. And I want this to be like a high bun. So I kind of gathered it here. And now time to collect that. Now honestly this is a goal because usually whenever I've attempted high buns, I have like, stragglers in the back. So this is pretty great that I was able to collect everything. Okay, and the cool thing about this invisible bobby thing is not just that, like, you know, it's not, is that it's invisible, so obviously you can't see it, like, unless you're like really searching for it. So because it's clear, so it just like melts right into that. I think that is so dope. Okay, high key, could this be look? I mean, okay, see, we got stragglers here. Okay, tuck that up in there. Okay, and this was our twist. And we have one in the back that I gotta tuck up back up here. See, there always gotta be those stragglers. Now let me just pull them up tight. Okay, so we have our twist on the side, and now let's work on our bun now. So I need to shape this somehow. Okay, so let's see, because I don't want to do like that regular like donut bun where you just like roll it all around. I like it better when I have like some sort of like body, which is why I like to take like, you know, separate it kind of like to two sections and kind of bring that around, you know, like this. The only thing is that like when you do it like this, you have like these stragglers in the front that I think we can always just tuck in because I have bobby pins. Okay, so I'm holding it, but I'm trying to do the most that I can, you know, tucking. Okay, now the thing is, how am I going to secure this bun? Okay, so I have another bobby thing. So let's see. I gotta like, you do my plan of attack. Like, how am I gonna do this? Okay. Okay. And all our work we did to try to secure that went to hell. Okay, now let's just tuck here. Now I'm just grabbing loose hair and just tucking it into that ponytail holder. I feel like it is called the bobby. Anyway, I'll put all that information down in the description box. And so far, like, I have no reason to believe that it'll break or anything. So that's good, because that's always a concern. I'm also adjusting it to make sure that, like, you know, it doesn't look lopsided or anything. And I'm trying also to kind of cover up the sections where you might see the bobby. Okay, this is where I feel like we might need the pins. Like, I don't care if you see it in the back, because like I'm not looking in the back, but like for like the front, I want to make sure it's covered. Got my bobby pins. These are also from Dwayne Reed. Okay, let's see what we can do. So now I'm just taking the ends, pulling them over, and like tucking it in. I actually think this is the first time I've used bobby pins in my locks. Now that isn't for any particular reason, it's just that I haven't styled my hair for real. Like, the most I do are, you know, like retwists and ponytails and twist outs, you know? I haven't been that adventurous with my locks, and that's mostly because my hair hasn't been long enough to do that. Okay. Now we're just checking. Okay, I feel like we're gonna, okay, I'm trying not to use, you know, one bobby pin per lock, because that's crazy. But I'm trying to like kind of group them together and then, you know, pin. Okay, I think also I don't care if you see the bobby pins, but I don't want them sticking out either, you know? I think we're getting somewhere. Okay, 3:38. All right. Okay, so the thing starts at 6, or at least the doors open at 6, and I have to be there at 6 because I don't want them to give away my ticket. So, okay, like I don't want these bobby pins sticking out. I feel like they're coming out. Okay. It's a little faster. Okay, got like some on the side. Okay, for this, I think I'm gonna try to tuck it like, you know, into the bun. Yeah, okay, see, that's the problem. Like, I don't want the bobby pin sticking out. I think that's the hardest part about this look for me, is those stupid bobby pins. Okay, so I think I just used one bobby pin for too many locks, so that's what's making them kind of like push back out. So I'm just reinforcing where I put those bobby pins before. And that seems to help a lot. Okay. So I had the majority of it pinned, but now as you guys can see, I have these stragglers on top. And it's like, on one hand, I like it, but I don't know, it's like not, it feels like it's not giving me that full bun. Like, I still want there to be like some evidence of a shape, you know? So I'm gonna try to tuck in these ends a little bit more. Like the ones that like are really like obviously like sticking out. That's what I'm trying to get now. And I'm just kind of like just haphazardly pushing that into the bun. I mean, does this look, how does this look? Yeah, because I don't, like, I'm not gonna get these, like, these are too short, so they're gonna always stick up. You know, like when, it's like that awkward one, the one that it's like, it's too short to actually do anything, so it just, I think this is the best. Let me get a bobby pin for this front here. I think that might be the best I can do. I'm feeling around to see if any bobby pins are like sticking out or anything. I don't feel it. And also I don't feel the bobby pins on my head, because you know that be the thing with bobby pins, like you just feel them sticking at you. And I don't feel that with this. Okay, we'll get on my side, and this looks fine with this bag. From the side, oops, let me just tuck that joint back in. I'll just bring that to the front here. Tuck that in. Okay, that's a start or whatever. Okay, so now what are we going to do about these? Okay, I have an idea. Like, what if I cut the wire and just make them into two short ones? Maybe. All right, so I just split them into two individual ones, which I don't care about because I need to get new ones anyway. Because like it would be cute like in the video for me to have like, you know, them in here and here and here, but don't have those, so that's unfortunate. Okay, so I'm actually gonna try to tie these tight. Actually no, that's not as tight as I want it. So I'm gonna like fake a little retwist here. So I'm just retwisting so I get like as tight as pop. Oh god, I hate that, like when I forget which way I be retwisting, and then when I twist it comes undone. This is complicated. Hey guys, so my camera definitely decided to show it off. So I think it ended right on the part when I did my twist. So pretty much what I did was I like retwisted a little bit at the roots and then twisted it real tight, you know, 2 strand twist that joint real tight. And then I cut that one lock jewelry thing in half, and then I put one on each end. So did that. So yeah, that's pretty much the look. So as you can see, I still have like scragglies at the top, but those are too short, and that would literally require me to like bobby pin it into my bun. And I had to do that with like 2, and it's already kind of like messing up the shape of the bun I have already. So I didn't want to do that, so I'm not. But I love this look, like love. It's not exactly the look that Naturally Temi had, but I feel like it's a pretty good adaptation because, you know, we got locks, we can't do everything that loose naturals can do, but we can do it pretty damn close. And I think I got it, you know. I'm just missing the accessories in the hair. But, you know, I will stock up on those because I cannot wait to do another tutorial with you guys. I guess that's what this was, right? A tutorial, right? Anyway, super excited, and don't forget to like, subscribe so you can see when I post those videos. And I'll catch you in the next tutorial, I guess. Anyway, peace.